Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12. Midday, we're tracking some very gray skies right now across the map. Not just because of smoke, but it's mainly because of the cloud deck that we're observing from the remnants of Hilary. Right now it's 58 degrees in Brookings. Plenty of humidity out there as, of course, we have all of this tropical moisture from this remnant tropical low. So the bulk of the showers right now in Siskiyou County. The rain starting to get a little bit heavier in southeastern Klamath County. And a little bit later today, we are expecting the intensity of rainfall to pick up. We could have some thunderstorms embedded within some of this, but I think it's mainly just going to be rain for today. For Klamath County, Lake County, Siskiyou County, could have a few showers and thunderstorms sneaking into Jackson or Josephine counties. Can't even rule that out for the coast, excuse me. But then we'll see showers continuing overnight and into Tuesday morning, although it's looking much drier by Tuesday morning, and we could get a resurgence in some thunderstorms into Tuesday afternoon. Once again, for Klamath Lake and Siskiyou counties, those would be the main areas of emphasis, although we could once again have a few more showers or thunderstorms sneaking to the west of there. And then Wednesday is looking even drier. Here's some of the rainfall projections we're expecting through Tuesday night. And clearly the winter is going to be south central Siskiyou County, but the Shasta Valley could receive quite a bit. To the east of the Cascades, we could receive quite a bit. And I'd say for a winter storm system, I'd be pretty happy with some of these totals. So the fact we're getting this during the midst of August and during the midst of a drought and during the midst of fire season, well, that is definitely some very good luck. So for today, in addition to some of the thunderstorms that we'll see and some of the rain, we'll also have to contend with smoke, as the thickest smoke is going to be in western Siskiyou County, eastern Curry County, Josephine County, and into Jackson County. And other than that, we'll have some pretty cool conditions out there. Highs will end up being about 5 degrees below average for this time of the year. So we'll be below 70 to the east of the Cascades. We'll have 70s and 80s for west side valleys, mid 60s along the coast in Curry County. By the way, winds today will be very blustery because we are dealing with the remnants of a tropical system. So those winds will gust out of the south and west for the most part between 20 to 40 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being in the Mount Shasta City area and down towards Weed. Then for tonight, smoke will stay in the same areas: western Siskiyou County, eastern Curry County, southern Josephine County, portions of Jackson County. We could have some haze for the rest of us. Showers continuing. Overnight lows will resemble what we had for this morning, maybe just a little bit cooler, but we will continuously, or I guess I should say incrementally, dry out into Tuesday and Wednesday, and then after that looking pretty dry. Temperatures go back up as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, so that'll place us actually a little bit above average for this time of the year. Then high temperatures moderating after that, and that little spike in temperatures will mean we'll have a little spike in fire weather impacts back up to critical, excuse me, for Thursday and Friday, but definitely not seeing the extreme fire weather impacts that we observed just last week. It's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Very small chances for showers today and tomorrow, but then it's looking pretty dry after that. For Siskiyou County, expecting a couple different chances for showers and thunderstorms. Hopefully a lot of that rain can skirt by some of the fires, but so far we're not sure if we've seen any evidence of that. For the Klamath Basin, smoke will really start to pick up into the next couple of days, just because we'll have upper level winds shifting out of the south and west. So we're going to have some much thicker smoke becoming much more widespread into Tuesday and potentially into Wednesday. Tracking some thunderstorm chances over the next couple days for the mountains, and then we'll have some pretty low end threats of the same thing for the Rogue Valley.
All right, thank you, Josh. And this is kind of a broad question, but having a hurricane, down in the California area and seeing rain in our region in August is pretty uncommon, right?
It's very rare. Yeah, this system, when I was looking at it on the model runs this morning, just kind of like looking at all the rain going across Klamath and Lake counties, I was like, it almost makes me feel like it's an atmospheric river. And to see that in August around these parts is very rare. So who knows? We just, 4-leaf clover just came out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere, yeah. All right, well, thank you, Josh.
Of course.